In this video, we're going to dive deep in the world of online selling platforms and compare two popular options, Sellfy and Payhip. Both of these tools have their unique features, pros and cons, and by the end of this video, you will have a better idea of which might be the right fit for you. So let's get started. Whether you're a writer with an ebook, an artist selling digital art, or a musician sharing your tracks, one online business owner offering digital goods, the choice of an efficient and user-friendly platform of selling your digital products is crucial. That's what Sellfy and Payhip come into play. Sellfy is a veteran in digital selling game, known for its simplicity and user-friendly approach. Let's shine a spotlight on some of Sellfy's features that make it a top choice for many creators. Storefront customization. Sellfy offers a straightforward way to customize your digital storefront. Even if you're not a tech-savvy designer, you can create a unique, visually appealing look for your store using a range of templates. Product management. Managing your digital products become effortless with Sellfy. From ebooks to videos, you can quickly upload, organize, and categorize your offerings with ease. Payment options. Sellfy integrates seamlessly with multiple payment gateways, including PayPal and Stripe, ensuring your customers have flexible and secure payment options. Marketing arsenal. Sellfy equips you with an array of marketing tools, including email marketing, discount code creation, and comprehensive analytics to help you expand your reach and boost sales. Automated delivery. Once a customer hits the Buy Now button, Sellfy springs into action, automating the secure delivery of your digital project to your customers. This means less manual work for you. Now let's consider the pros and cons of using Sellfy. Sellfy Pros: user-friendly interface, excellent product management capabilities, built-in marketing tools, automated digital product delivery, and stellar customer support. Sellfy Cons: limited customization compared to other platforms, transaction fees are present in lower tier plans, not ideal choice if you're selling physical products. Now let's look at Payhip. Payhip is another strong contender in the digital contract selling area. In the digital product selling area, it offers a robust set of features designed to empower creators and entrepreneurs. Let's take a look at what Payhip brings to the table. Ease setup. Payhip prides itself on offering a straightforward setup process, making it accessible for newcomers to the digital selling world. Payment processing. Payhip supports multiple payment options, including PayPal, Stripe, and credit card payments, ensuring that your customers have choices when it comes to making payments. Customizable checkout. With Payhip, you have full control over the aesthetics of your checkout page. This means that you can create seamless buying experience that aligns with your brand identity. Affiliate program. Payhip offers an affiliate marketing feature, allowing to other individuals or businesses to promote your product for a commission. This can potentially broaden your reach and boost your sales. Secure digital delivery. Just like Sellfy, Payhip ensures secure and automated delivery of your digital products. Your customers can get access without any delays and can focus on creating, and you can focus on creating more content. Now let's weigh the pros and cons of using Payhip. Payhip Pros: customizable checkout pages, affiliate marketing capabilities, support for various payment options, automated digital product delivery, user-friendly interface. And now let's look at the Payhip cons. Limited template customization options, transaction fees apply to all plans, lacks built-in email marketing features. Let's start money. Pricing is a critical factor when choosing an online selling platform. Here's a quick glance at the pricing plans for both Sellfy and Payhip. The pricing of Sellfy: starter plan is $90 per month billed annually, or $30 per month billed monthly. The business plan is $40 per month billed annually, or $60 per month billed monthly. And the premium plan is $90 per month billed annually, or $130 per month billed monthly. And now let's look at the pay pricing. The standard plan with a 5% transaction fee per sale, plus plan with, $30 per month billed annually, or $40 per month billed monthly, plus a 2% transaction fee per sale. When it comes to pricing, your choice should align with your sales volume and feature requirements. If you're just starting out and have lower sales volume, Payhip Standards plan might be more cost effective due to its lower fee and fixed transaction fee per sale. Now, the $1,000,000 question: which platform should you choose? Well, the answer depends on your specific needs. Choose Sellfy if you prioritize a user-friendly interface and ease of use. You want built-in marketing tools to amplify your sales efforts. Your primary focus on digital, like ebooks, digital art, or music. And choose Payhip if you prefer the ability to customize your checkout pages to align with your brand. You're looking to harness the power of affiliate marketing to expand your reach. You're comfortable with a transaction fee structure. Both Sellfy and Payhip are trustworthy platforms for selling digital products. Your choice should be a reflection of your unique business requirements. Take into account your priorities, budget, and long-term goals when making your decision. That wraps up our comparison of Sellfy and Payhip. We hope this video has been helpful in guiding you towards the right platform for your digital product sales. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more informative content like this.